Thursday. We're getting ready to head to the Kentucky Bourbon Barn Bash bike ride. We have to do some driving. It's about 1 o'clock right now. Got stuff loaded up on the car. You can see I got the bike on and everything stripped off and seat off and all that stuff in case it rains. I know it's not supposed to, but... And then I got gear in the trunk. Gotta go get Jerry, get his stuff loaded in there, get his bike on, and then we're gonna head off on the drive. So we're gonna take you along on this ride. It's gonna be several days and maybe stop off and see some people along the way. Should be fun. So here we go. Okay, we're all loaded up. Gonna go drop his truck off to get some service work done while we're gone. You ready?
I got a phone, a wallet, some keys to unlock the bike, so I'm gonna double check that one. Get down in front of the bike you locked in.
Well, it's dark and you probably can't see anything, but we have set up the tent. We made it. Jerry's over here huffing and puffing.
On Big Agnes.
Big Agnes is pretty much blown up. Car's right here. Can't see much because it's dark, but see you in the morning. So we're here, but we're delayed because of the fog. Hasn't really got started yet, so we're just getting gear set up, hanging out. It's cool. It's in the 50s. The high is only supposed to be 70 degrees today, so we shall see. And we're off. It's day one. We're on the blue course, which is medium. Today is 50 miles today. It's foggy. There's definitely a lot of road bike people here, so Jerry and I are a little bit different, let's just say. It's cool though, it's in the 50s. So, pants, long sleeves, wet weather. Was that a banana?
Yeah. It's a mustache with a handle.
We're at our first support stop. Lots of options. Payday, dill pickles, fruit, grapes, M&Ms, peanut butter and jelly.
I might have another PB&J.
Lots of options. How's it feel?
It's good.
It's feeling good?
Yep.
It's looking good?
Yep.
Lunch. The Goose and Gander Restaurant and Bar.
I'll be right back with you, gentlemen.
No problem.
Go ahead and drop these off.
Yeah, sure. Lots of cyclists here, looks like.
Whole bunch.
Yeah, lots of them. That's our neighbors over there. Say hi. tent neighbors. Chili. Not only that, he's got a grilled cheese coming.
And I got cheese on there.
Bacon cheeseburger with some fried Brussels sprouts.
Thank you very much.
That's grilled cheese with some of those Brussels sprouts. Which, how's the chili?
It's good.
It's good. Those Brussels sprouts are
a little spicy.
Oh yeah. Brussels sprouts are amazing. They're fried Brussels sprouts. They're really good though. Tasty. We're back on the road again. That was a good lunch though.
Yes, that's good. Popular joint.
Problem is now we got to get loosened up again.
Yeah.
Get the muscles loose, get the butt used to the saddle again.
Joints.
Joints loosened up. Tobacco farm.
Yeah.
Horses, obviously. Trying to keep Jerry from rolling some smoke out there. Those tobacco plants. We made it.